Hello guys, today I'm going to making beef soup. Before I cook, I want to asking you guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. And if somebody new in my channel, I want to let you guys know every Friday I'm going to post a new recipe. And please don't forget to support my channel and subscribe me guys, okay? Thank you very much, I appreciate that. And I'm going to use 2 pounds of beef chuck and 5 pieces of garlic, 3 pieces red onions, and 7 pieces green onions. And now I'm going to carry everything into small pieces first. The green onions carry into small pieces too. And the red onions I'm going to carry into small pieces too. Okay, now I'm going to put some oil. I'm going to saute the red onions and the garlic first. And after that, put the beef in. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon beef flavor. And I'm using this white pepper guys. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon white pepper. And I'm using this sesame oil guys. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons sesame oil. And mix it a little bit first. And I'm using this bowl guys. I'm going to add 2 bowls of water. Mix it a little bit first. And then cover it. And boil it for 30 minutes on medium heat guys, okay? And I'm going to use 3 pieces of chayote. I'm going to take off the skin first. And I'm going to carry chayote into 3 parts guys. The chayote I carry into small pieces like that guys. Okay, now I'm going to put chayote on the soup. Mix it a little bit first. And cover it. Boil it for 7 minutes guys. And at the end, put the green onions in. Mix it for a second and take it out. But don't forget to taste first guys, okay? Because I don't like too salty, and if you guys need more salt, you can add more salt if you need it, okay? This is the chayote guys. The chayote is very soft. The beef is cooked perfectly too. The soup, it tastes very delicious. Tastes really good guys. Please try it tomorrow, okay? You will love it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much guys for your sub. I really appreciate that, and have a great weekend. I love you guys. Bye.